guys, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some Ackee seasoned rice, guys. If you haven't tried this is the time now to give it a try. It's absolutely flavorful. We're going to use a ton of different seasonings. We're going to use rice and pumpkin just to give it a little flavor there. We're going to use green seasoning blend. Guys, if you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. To our pot of already boiling water, we're going to add in my 2 cups of Ackee. These are fresh Ackee I got at the market this morning. You want to cook your Ackee, guys, until they're tender. I don't want you to overcook it because remember you're going to continue to cook while the rice is steaming. And of course, guys, to proceed we have to wash all our seasonings that we're going to use in our pot. Using this time as well to wash my rice. You want to repeat this step, guys, around 3 times. Now, guys, our Ackee has been fully cooked. It is very tender. So I'm just draining it off. Just passing the cold water over it now. First thing I'm going to try to do is to dice up my pumpkin. And you can see I cut off the skin of the pumpkin. And the pumpkin will add a different color to your seasoned rice. And Scotch bonnet pepper, poking a hole just for the flavor, guys. And of course my scallion. Of course, our garlic. Alright, guys, going in with my coconut oil. Coconut oil add a different flavor to our seasoned rice. And of course our garlic, our scallion, our pimento berries and Scotch bonnet pepper, and thyme. We want to sweat the seasonings first, guys, before adding in anything else. Adding our pumpkin, our coconut milk, our water, green seasoning blend, guys, all-purpose seasoning, of course our salt. To give it a little color, guys, I'm going to add in a little bit of curry. Can give it a taste to see if it needs anything else. Alright, guys, I'm going to be adding in my rice at this time. I just wanted the coconut milk to kind of cook off a bit. The rice I'm using is the parboil one. You can always use your jasmine rice or your brown rice. Of course, I'm going to add back my ackee. Give it a little stir there. Distribute the ackee all over your rice, right? Of course, guys, I'm going to cover my pot with a foil paper. Reduce your heat as well to like medium. Alright guys, let's take a look at our rice just to check on it to see if it needs any more liquid. So far, I don't think it needs any more liquid because I still hear water underneath. So we're going to return the foil paper and our pot cover. Now guys, I'm going to show you something my mother taught me. I don't know how many of you know this, but let's say your rice is not cooking. What you can do is to put your foil paper, put a little bit more water, and just cover it. So the steam coming from both underneath and on top. Okay guys, let's take our final look at this rice and see what's up. Of course, you're going to remove your foil. Look at that. I love the results already. Removing the thyme as well. Make sure any amount of Scotch bonnet pepper you put in your pot that you can find them and remove them as well. Now guys, what I'm going to do is to just fluff my rice. Okay, you see the ackee is still at the top. So nice. The ackee never mush out at all. I am so pleased with the end result of this, guys. I hope you give this recipe a try. This is so versatile. You can have it with absolutely anything or simply by itself. Look at that. So rich. While you're fluffing your rice as well, guys, you don't want to crush out the ackee. Alright, let's share it out. Give it a final taste. I like how I can see all of my thyme, all of my herbs. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so rich in flavor. The coconut milk, the coconut oil make it so much better. The pumpkin, oh my god, this is a must try, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.